You'll want to use a warm tone bronzer for this step, but I don't have one, so I'm going to use Amber by Fenty Beauty. And then we'll apply this along our forehead and contour our cheeks, along the side of our nose, and take this into your eyes like that. It doesn't have to be perfect because we'll blend it out. I'm also going to contour my lips. Don't be afraid to apply a lot. Let's give Bambi a jaw. I'm going to blend this out with my Patrick Ta contour brush. I'm taking very little concealer and putting it on the back of my hand so that I can pick it up with my concealer brush. I'm going to use this to sharpen the edge of my nose and underneath my eyes. Also underneath my cheekbones. I'm lightly taking this up the side of my nose and into my eyes right here. I'm using a very little amount of concealer for this. Going over underneath my eyes with my foundation brush. Also underneath my cheeks. Setting my face lightly with Chanel Healthy Glow Powder. Make sure your under eyes are blended before you set them. Going over the cream bronzer with a warm tone bronzer. I'm using YSL All Hours bronzer in the shade 02. Take this into the hairline using a small eyeshadow brush. This is a Morphe E17. I'm going to take this lightly along the side of my nose and into my eye right here. Taking what's left of my concealer brush and lightly tapping below my crease. Using this lightly along the side of my nose. And then lightly blend out these edges with whatever's left over on the eyeshadow brush. Filling in my brows using MAC Brow Definer. Cutting my cheeks with Mario setting powder to make them pop a little more. Dusting this off with an Hourglass powder brush, using the leftover underneath my eye area. And my eyelids, but make sure you blend it before. Applying the tiniest amount of pink blush. This is DIOR Rosy Glow. Drawing on Bambi spots with eyeliner. Doing this a little messy because I don't want my spots to be perfectly round. Taking whatever's left over my bronzer brush and lightly tapping this so it looks a little bit more blended. Using a Freckle Pen for my nose area. Lining the tip of my nose with liquid brown eyeliner. I also use some of this for more freckles. Using the same eyeliner to create a wing. Apply to the inner corners as well. Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Sculpt. White eyeliner to the waterline. Brown eyeliner to the top waterline. Bottom mascara. For lashes, I'm using House of Lashes Emiko. I'm using almost the entire band because I want really big doe eyes for this look. Apply mascara over the falsies. Contour lips. Wipe off the excess from the middle. NATASHA DENONA brown eyeliner. Huda Beauty Rich Brown. Blend this out. Slightly blend this one inwards. MAC Cosmetics Cream Cup. And then blend.